Need to translate massive documents or entire websites without worrying about your private data leaking on the internet? In this video, we are looking at Lingvanex, an AI-powered translation and speech recognition platform designed to make multilingual communications seamless and secure. Whether you are an individual looking for a quick translation or a business handling sensitive documents, Lingvanex has a solution for you. Let's break down how it works. Lingvanex offers a wide range of products, including dedicated translator apps for Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. If you want to translate websites on the fly, they have handy browser extensions for Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Opera, and Safari. But where Lingvanex really stands out is its advanced enterprise solutions. Their on-premise machine translation software allows businesses to securely translate large volumes of text, documents, and websites across over 100 languages. The best part? It works entirely offline. This means your data never leaves your local infrastructure, making it incredibly secure. They also offer a robust translation API for developers who want to integrate automatic translation directly into their own apps, as well as an on-premise speech recognition tool that transcribes audio in 91 languages with full punctuation. Now, let's talk about pros and cons. Because we want to be completely honest, we currently don't have a database of independent user reviews to share with you today. However, looking at the features, the biggest pro is clearly data privacy. Having the ability to translate offline on your own servers is a game changer for industries like finance, legal, or government. On the flip side, a potential hurdle is that setting up on-premise software or integrating APIs can be highly technical compared to just using a basic web translator. Overall, if you value privacy, offline capabilities, and need to translate documents across multiple devices, Lingvanex is definitely worth exploring. Head over to their website to check out their apps or contact their team to see how their enterprise solutions can help you. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you've tried Lingvanex, and subscribe for more tech tutorials.